Okay, so here we have a mid-1980s Pavoni Europiccola. This is the 2-switch model. Right now I have it on, and it's sitting at about 0.75 bar. This is its cruising pressure. There's no pressure stat in here. The boiler pressure is regulated by this regulator valve right here, which I don't know if you can hear, but there's a small hiss coming out of it as the steam is escaping at the proper rate to keep the boiler regulated at 0.75 bar. I've prepared a basket here. This is a light roasted Brazil. Light roasts aren't known for their super crema like the darker roasts are, but we should get a sufficient crema in this shot. You'll notice there are a couple different sizes of baskets. This is a single dosing basket. This is the standard Pavoni double, which you can barely fit 14 grams of coffee in here. This is usually for a lower dose, like a 12-gram double dose. And this is actually an Electra basket. This is from the Microcasa Leva. The diameter is the same, 49 millimeters, and as you can see, it's a little bit deeper than the Pavoni basket. You can fit a few more grams of coffee in here. And actually there's two of them that I have, so this is the one I'm using here. I'm using the deeper Electra. They both fit in the portafilter. Steaming capability, right now it's ready to pull a shot, but if I wanted to, I can also show you the steam. The steam will drop the boiler pressure down just a little bit, but it'll pick back up. It should be just about ready for a shot right now. One thing that I like to do personally on these is control the temperature of the bell of the group head. I put just a little bit of masking tape and an IR thermometer is perfect for this. Right now it's showing about 200, 202, 203. Okay, so this is a pretty good temperature. It's a little bit on the, at least for this particular machine and this particular IR thermometer. All thermometers register temperature a little differently. This is a good, maybe a little bit on the low side to pull a shot, but we'll do so anyway. So it locks in straight, and then you turn it to 90 degrees clockwise. The nice thing about this machine is that it's light and rather portable. Unnice thing about it is that it can slide around sometimes. Okay, I like to weigh my shots, so I put 16 grams of coffee in. There we go. Okay, now we should be ready to roll. When you lift the piston, you can hear the little bit more steam escape. Alright, so I like to leave this up here between 7 to 10 seconds. You notice there are as many different shot preparation styles as there are Pavoni owners. Okay, and then here's the pull. I've pulled enough shots through these things that I've got the balance down. I can do this one-handed. When you're starting off, you may want to put the other hand either on the boiler cap or the portafilter handle to steady the machine, because like I said, the base is kind of light for the amount of force that you generally put down on the handle. Okay. Shot volumes on this thing will range depending on how many lever pulls you do, how long you do the pre-infusion, and really how finely ground the coffee is. Oh look, my scale turned off, so I won't be able to weigh it. But, okay, not as super crema-y as I generally like, but that's what you get with a light roast. I wanted to talk a little bit more about the 2-switch here. The high will actually really jack the boiler pressure up in here. It's really used for steaming, or for if you're impatient and you want the machine to heat up in a couple minutes rather than the normal 10 minutes or so that it takes to heat up. But that was it. No noisy pumps. You get a pretty delicious tasting espresso. I'm going to taste it right now. The temperature was perfect on that, actually. I thought it was going to be a little bit cooler, but it wasn't. So that's good. here we are, 11 p.m. espresso.